number from a 3-digit number. Now we will see some questions related to this topic. Okay. Subtract the following. A 482 minus 271. So what we have to do? Yes, we have to subtract the ones. That means 2 minus 1. Yes, we know that it is 1. Then subtract the tens. 8 minus 7. Again it is 1. Then subtract the hundreds. That means 4 minus 2. We have 2. Therefore our answer is 211. Then moving to next B. 835 minus 458. So first we have to subtract the ones. That means 5 minus 5. We have 0. Then subtract the tens. 3 minus 1. We have 2. Then subtract the hundreds. That means 8 minus 4. We have 4. Therefore our answer is 420. C. 436 minus 172. So first we have to subtract the ones. That means 6 minus 2. We have 4. Then we have to subtract these tens. 3 minus 7. It is not possible. Since 3 is less than 7, we have to borrow 100 from the hundreds column and we have to regroup this tens column as 13. Then we have to minus. That is 13 minus 7. We have 6. Then we have to subtract these hundreds. Here we already borrowed 100 from here. So here only 300 is left. That means we have to write here 3. Then 3 minus 1, 2. Therefore our answer is 264. Is it clear? Next question. 392 minus 146. First subtract the ones. Here 2. We know that 2 is less than 6. So what we have to do? Yes, we have to borrow 10 from the tens column and we have to regroup this ones column as 12 ones. Then 12 minus 6, we have 6. Then we have to subtract this tens. Since we borrowed 1 tens, so here we have only 8. 8 tens. That means 8 minus 4, yes, we have 4. Then we have to subtract this hundreds. That means 3 minus 1, 2. Therefore 392 minus 146 equal to 246. Then E. 322 minus 178. Here ones, tens and hundreds. First we have to subtract the ones. Here we know that 2 is less than 8. So we have to borrow 10 from the tens column and regroup this ones column as 12. Then 12 minus 8 we have 4. Then we have to subtract this tens. So here we have already borrowed 10 to this ones column. So we have only 1. And we know that 1 is less than 7. So we have to borrow 100 from this hundreds column and we have to regroup this tens column as 11. Then 11 minus 7 we have 4. Yes. Then we have to subtract these hundreds. Since we have borrowed 100 from here, so here only 200 left. That means we have to write 2. Then 2 minus 1 we have 1. Therefore we got 144 as the answer. And children, moving to next topic, that is subtracting 4-digit number from a 4-digit number. Then questions. Subtract the following. A. 9634 minus 7321. So we have to subtract these numbers. First we have to subtract the ones. That is 4 minus 1, 3. Then subtract the tens. 3 minus 2, 1. Subtract the hundreds. 6 minus 3, 3. Then subtract the thousands. That means 9 minus 7, 2. Therefore 2313 is the answer. Then B. 3226 minus 1000 220. Subtract the ones first. That means 6 minus 0, we have 6. Then subtract the tens. 2 minus 2, 0. Then subtract the hundreds. That means 2 minus 2, again 0. Then subtract the thousands. That is 3 minus 1, 2. Therefore our answer is 2006. Then C, 8356 minus 2663. So first we have to subtract the ones. 6 minus 3, we have 3. Then we have to subtract the tens, and here we know that 5 is less than 6. So what we have to do? Yes, we have to borrow 100 from this hundreds column, and we have to regroup this tens column as 15. Then 15 minus 6, you know that is 9. Then we have to subtract these hundreds. Here 100 is borrowed by these tens, so only 200 is left. And also 2 is less than 6. So we have to borrow 1000 from the thousands column, and we have to regroup this hundreds column as 12. Then 12 minus 6, we have 6. Then we have to subtract this thousands column. That means here we have already borrowed 1000 from here, so only 7000 is left. That means we have to write here 7. Then 7 minus 2, we have 5. Therefore our answer is 5693. Then next question, D, 9235 minus 3931. So subtract the ones. 5 minus 1, 4. Then subtract the tens. 3 minus 3, 0. Then subtract the hundreds. Here we know that 2 is less than 9. So we have to borrow 1000 from the thousands column, and we have to regroup this hundreds column as 12 ones. So 12. Then 12 minus 9, we have 3. Then we have to subtract these thousands. Since 1000 was borrowed by these hundreds column, so here we have only 8. Then 8 minus 3, we have 5. Therefore our answer is 5304. Then next question, 4237 minus 1349. So first subtract these ones. That means here we know that 7 is less than 9. So we have to borrow 1 tens from this tens column, and we have to regroup this ones column as 17. Then 17 minus 9, we have 8. Then we have to subtract this tens. Since we have borrowed 1 tens, so we have only 2. Then 2 is less than 4, so we have to borrow 100 from the hundreds column, and we have to regroup this tens column as 12. Then 12 minus 4, again 8. Then we have to subtract these hundreds. That means here we have 100 is borrowed by this tens column, so here we have only 1. And we know that 1 is less than 3, so we have to borrow 1000 from the thousands column, and we have to regroup this hundreds column as 11. Then 11 minus 3, we have 8. Then we have to subtract these thousands. Since 1000 was borrowed by this hundreds column, so here we have only 3. Then 3 minus 1, we have 2. Therefore our answer is 2888. Children, is it clear? Now moving to today's last topic, that is use addition to check the difference. Let's see some questions. First one, 899 minus 790. First we have to subtract these numbers. That means 9 minus 8, we have 1. Then 9 minus 9, 0. Then 8 minus 7, 1. Then we already in our last class we learned that this number is known as minute. Then this is known as subtrahend. And the answer we got is known as the difference. Then we have to check whether our answer is correct or not. How we will check? First step, we have to add this subtrahend and difference. Here we got 798 as subtrahend plus this difference, that is 101. Then 8 plus 1, we have 9. 9 plus 0, 9. And 7 plus 1, 8. Here we got the answer same as the minute, that means 899. So our answer is correct. Then next question, 7689 minus 3872. So first subtract the ones. 7 minus 2, 7. Sorry, 9 minus 2, 7. Then subtract the tens. 8 minus 7, we have 1. Then subtract the hundreds. Since we know that 6 is less than 8, so we have to borrow 1000 from the thousands column and we have to regroup this hundreds column as 16. Then 16 minus 8, we have 8. Then we have to subtract these thousands. Since 1000 was borrowed by this hundreds column, here we have only 6. Then 6 minus 3, we have 3. Therefore, we got the answer as 3870. Then here, this number is known as the minute. And this number is known as subtrahend. And the result we got is known as the difference. Now we will check whether our answer is correct or not. So what we have to do in order to check? We have to add this subtrahend and the difference. And the answer should be this minute. Let's see how we are checking. First, add this subtrahend and difference. That means 3872 plus 3870. So we have to add this number and we have to get this minute as the answer. Let's see. 2 plus 7, 9. 7 plus 1, 8. Then 8 plus 8, we have 16. Then 1 is carried to here. Then 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So we got here answer as 7689, which is the minute itself. Therefore, our answer is correct. The next question, 482 minus 211. Then first we have to subtract, then we have to check. 2 minus 1, 1. 8 minus 1, 7. 4 minus 2, 2. So we got 271. And this is minute. This is subtrahend. And the answer we got is difference. Then we have to check whether our answer is correct or not. And for checking, first we have to add this subtrahend and the difference. That means 211 plus 271. 1 plus 1, 2. 7 plus 1, 8. 2 plus 2, 4. So here we got 482. We got 482, which is the minute itself. Therefore, our answer is correct. So children, hope you understood today's class. Thank you.